today I'm coming up to you with another Zara try haul. This time around I went for something super new. Everything was just a normal price. Okay, so yeah, but I try to keep it low because I don't want to spend too much money. I try to pick out the new trendy in which is in Zara. So yeah, I try to pick out things I know I'm going to be wearing all the time, which is basic item. Okay, I'm super loving all the things I got. Yeah, if you're interested, you want to see all the things I got from Zara new in, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. Before we start, you know how we roll. You go and support your sister by hitting the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so with that you will notify when I have a brand new video on my channel. Okay, here we go. Hey, here we go. The first item I'm going to be showing you is this kind of sheer top long sleeve I'm wearing right now. Okay, I'm loving this top a lot. The reason why I don't know what to say. I don't like to wear something that you see my bra. I don't like it. Off-white, and the size is size small. It was €9.95, and it has this kind of beautiful round neck. So the round neck, you can easily take off your dress. You can not dress. Is it dress? It's not a dress. You can easily take it off without you don't steal your makeup. You don't really have a problem because it has a lot of stretch a bit, and it's kind of ripped same time. And I like the fact that it's not too long. Okay, it's not so long, it's not up to my wrist. It's okay, it's a very thin material, very thin. Okay, this is what you easily throw on when you wear your jeans, but I will advise you to wear something if you are not that kind of bold. You don't want to show too much skin. You can easily wear a skin bra on it, or you wear underneath, you wear something basic turned up so that nobody is going to tell the color of your brow. That is how I'm going to be wearing it. I can't wear it like this, of course not. Okay, but the sake of this video, I just want to show you how it looks like. That is a very transparent, it's very sheer. Okay. Check this bag out. Check it out. I like this bag. Number one, it's very compact to take along with in spring. You don't need to fit in with a lot of stuff because I always have two bags with me, but this is always what I always take around when I'm stepping out, go in the shop. And yeah, I like this bag a lot. I don't buy a bag every day, no, but when it comes to spring, I do love to have one specific one, the one I will always go to, my go-to bag for spring. So I like the fact it has this small extra strong cotton bag inside, so you can put your things. So the cotton bag, you can take it off, a stitch under with the bag. So yeah, and when you have your stuff inside, so you can easily draw it like this, and it has a lot of space. I don't need too much. I don't carry too much because I don't need too much. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to be doing what is in my bag, my everyday bag, very soon, but I don't know when. Just keep your finger crossed for that. I get you. And it has this kind of handle, this see-through, and it's a gray and kind of see-through hand. The combination is very beautiful. I like the fact that you can carry easily like this. Is so cute. It has a strap as well. You can easily adjust this the way you want. Oh my days, you don't want to know the price of this bag, right? Oh my days, I love this bag. Before I buy a bag, I must have a passion. I love this bag. Kind of a magnet. I just like this bag. It's very compact, it's very friendly to go with, and yeah, voila. So guys, the next piece I'm going to be showing you is this kind of very soft ripped long sleeve top. It looks a bit similar like the first one I wore. The difference is that at the bottom it has this kind of crop at the bottom. Is it what you call it, or design, or kind of let you Prinkle you to start. How I wonder what you are. Okay, it looks very girly at the bottom. Okay, I like the fact that it has this kind of round sexy neck. The neck is with, the material is satin material, which makes it look put together. You know, I love to say that word, look put together. Okay, I love this top, I love it. It's pure white, it's not off-white like the other one was off-white, and this one is very long, is even above my ribs. Okay, I like it, and it's a bit longer than the first one I showed you. Okay, it's a bit longer. Here we go. It's very beautiful top. It's very beautiful. This you can wear it with jeans, with denim jeans, with boyfriend. I like it, and the price was €12.95. Denim jeans jacket, you can throw on easy, you are good to go. Like I'm wearing right now, leggings. You can also pair it with leggings. You don't have the problem. You can style it down, you can style it up with this. You're just so guys, the next item I got is this snake print brown caramel, what you call it, caramel, yeah, not brown, caramel shirt. Okay, I like something like this. By now you guys have must tell. Okay, if you don't follow me on Instagram, like what you doing, darling? Why you to go follow me there so you can see all the update of this item I'm showing you, not to show you and you don't see how I dress it up. Okay, go follow me there. The name, the link is right on top of my head. It's €5.95. what do you want? Like, see, what do you want? Tell me what you want. And I just use a little bit of vibe right here. So this top, this t-shirt can have a little bit of style. Okay, not that it's just plain like so. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is what you can easily pair with your high-waisted skirt, denim jeans. It up, you can dress it down, there's no doubt about it. And the size is size medium. When it comes to top, when it comes to t-shirt, I do love to go size up a little bit because I don't want something too hugging, too tighten. I can't breathe, I need to breathe. Okay, anyways, yeah, I like it. I just like the design of the snake print. It looks very mature, very look put together. This is how it looks like. This is the back. For the price, what more you need in spring? Throw on your denim jacket, you're good to go. You don't need to style it too much. Okay, this top right here, this t-shirt, or what you call it, t-shirt top, it's egal, so you can always style it how you want, comfortable with. Oh, so guys, the next piece is this kind of, how do you call it, this is a camel crop ripped top. I love this top. Ask me the reason why. It's an off shoulder. It's an off shoulder and it helps me, it brings out my shape, and you can easily wear a bunch of bra inside. Okay, I'm loving this camel crop top. Like, this is so beautiful. Look very classic, it looks very girly, you know what I mean? It looks very girly. The design, don't tell me nothing. You can tell me nothing. Oh, size small, of course, and the price was €15.95. Okay, I like it. I think this is my favorite. This one and the bag is my favorite, but don't wait. don't go anywhere. Just wait for the main thing that is very low. Do not start with, because you can easily see a little bit of your skin. Okay, so it's better you start it with something is a bit high-waisted. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Next, so guys, the next piece I got is this very classic, elegant top right here. Number one, what I love about this, has gathering here. You can easily make it as a very crop top. Make it as a crop top. You can draw it up. It has a rubber band and it has a gather, so with that it's going to secure you no matter where you draw it to. It's going to stay. Likewise, as the long sleeve, you can easily make your own style. You know, fashion is all about being creative. Okay, just create how you want your clothes to look like. Okay, as you can see how it looks like, it looks different, right? Of course, I'm not doing it the way it's supposed to be, but this is how I'm going to be leaving it. I have it on my Instagram right here because I couldn't wait to show you guys. I was so in love with it, to style it, to wear it, so I just had to take some photos for Instagram. Okay, that is just giving me extra, you know, shape. and it's a bit of, I don't know which material, how to call this material. This material is kind of not nets, it's a very beautiful cotton which has a little bit of shade to it, a bit see-through, but you can easily tell, except when you put your hand through the blouse, the top, so you can see it's a see-through a little bit, but you can easily tell. You can wear on any bra you want to. You can really tell the color I have underneath. Of course, it's a black, okay, but with this one you are very secure to go with any bra of your choice, okay. And the price of this one was €17.95, which I find not too expensive. I was thinking when I saw this top right here, I was thinking maybe it's going to up to be 30 bucks or something, or 40. It's good, we are good. Anyway guys, the next piece I'm going to show you guys is this trouser right here. Like the other day I said I don't like white, and which is not lie. I don't like white trouser, okay. White trouser, white dress is not my thing, and it's not on my list. I think I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, just like so, stepping up from my comfort zone. White is beautiful, okay. I love white. Everything in my house is white. Of course, you can tell by my background, my curtain, everything in my house, except for my bedroom. My bedroom curtain is brown. Anyways, move back to this trouser. The reason why I took this trouser, I just wanted to give it a try, okay. When I come home and I try it, it's white, it's a high-waisted. What more do you want, girl? Like seriously? Excuse if I'm shouting now because I'm so excited, okay. You know, I will do it, hey, 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 hey. I'm in love, check me out, voila. Hey sis, how you doing? Let's check out a different cocktail. Oh my days, this is the kind of trouser you wear to cocktail with your babes. Hair color, you guys should let me know what you guys think. I just received this wig, okay. I'm loving the wig, exactly how I want it to be. This my face, everything is just working for my good. Everything is working for my. Anyways, let me stop. I'm too much. I'm extra. I know. Check this out. Oh my days, he's doing the booty. Oh my, my squat. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I can always do my squat. Anyway, let me tell you the size. The size is size 36. Of course, you guys know I wear 36. And for the price is €19. €19.95. One of the expensive items in these all items that I got. Guys, what do you guys think? And I like the fact that it's not too long and it's hugging my ankle so well. It's hugging my ankle so well. The reason why I like the fact that it's a v-neck and it's a peachy, dark peachy color, which is my vibe. It makes my skin looks very flawless and glowy and dewy and look put together. You know what I mean? Anyways, excuse the wrinkles, okay, because it was in the bag since I got it, so I didn't have time to bring it out, okay. Excuse the wrinkles, I just want to put it out there, okay. So yeah, and it's super long. This is the kind of top I like. It's not tight, it's giving me that floral effect, makes me look very put together, you know what I mean. It's not making me look cheap, okay. So yeah, and it's a bit stretchy to it. That is what I like. It's not a real cotton. It's a cotton material, but it's a bit. It has a maybe 20% stretch to it. Okay, I really like this color. I can see myself wearing this top this t-shirt right here. Is it t-shirt or top? I would call it a t-shirt, basic t-shirt. I wear this basic t-shirt with this trouser right here, or with a snake print caramel t-shirt. Right up, you can throw on a very long what's it called, blazer on top. This is going to be perfect for blazer. Okay, the blazer will be at least above you, up to your knee. It's going to make you look very put together, look on the bougie, on the budget. And for the top, the price, the size, let's start with the size. The size is size medium, as always. Size up always when it comes to t-shirt like this. And for the price, it was €12.95, and which I find perfect for the price. Perfect. This is what I expected, and this is what I received. I like the fact that, like I just said, it's a v-neck, so you can easily breathe. You can take off your shirt without no staining your makeup. Okay, these pairs of ears is my favorite out of the whole thing that I just showed you. This is my favorite. All these plain heels, I said no, it's a must. I must, hands down, I must pick them. It's so cute. This is so cute. This is very, very cute. This was the most expensive item from this try all. It was €39.99 for size 39. It's very, very beautiful. I have it already on my Instagram. I couldn't wait. It's very beautiful. I can see myself with this pair of sandals with a lot of outfits. Okay, this is the sandals because it has a stripe. So yeah, I can wear these shoes forever and ever. So guys, that's pretty much it for this Zara new in. I'm really happy with the items that I got. It was really fun because I was so curious. I couldn't wait for me to show you guys so I can style it how I want. Anyway, without any further ado, please do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Which one is your favorite and which one looks beautiful on me? As always, no long talking. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Thumbs up, comments. Okay, thank you. Ciao. Mwah.